How to draw perspectives.
Before drawing perspectives, you have to know three important things: the horizon, vanishing point, and eye level. Horizon is just a straight line, lying horizontally. In math, it's called x-axis. Here are some example photos. The horizon. When we are in the plains, for example, the rice field or wheat field and the sea, and we look as far as we can see the line separating the sky and the sea, and that is the horizontal line. Vanishing point. Vanishing point is located along the horizon. It can be anywhere on the horizon line. You see, I just drawn a road from the horizon. Yeah, a road, and I type ROAD. It is simple. Drawing many lines from the vanishing point can help you to place the thing you want to draw. You can clearly see the horizon and the vanishing point in this photo. Eye level. You see in this video, the angle of my camera is rising up. The more my camera rises, the more changes in the shape of the floor tiles. In this photo, the tiles are flat because your eye level is lower, but here they are not the same.
This is the bonus clip of my last perspective drawing. Hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching, and this is Lafattino Drawers.